Hey, I'm Dana.
I'm Dylan.
And these are TrueColor tabletops.
From FurnitureLab.
Come check out these poppin' colors. These TrueColor tabletops are so unique, but tell me the specific uniqueness about them.
There's some special ingredients.
Okay.
It's an automotive-grade satin coating
Okay.
on a commercial medium-density fiberboard core.
That's some sturdy tables.
It's solid.
You know what else it is?
What?
You got nails? It is scratch resistant.
You can also keep it clean real easily.
Easy cleanup. Yeah.
Wipes away.
We offer many standard sizes, or choose a custom size. TrueColor has the ability to match fabrics and finishes to tie together your space, your design.
We've got rectangles. We have squares. We have circles. TrueColor can cover any of it.
You know what is phenomenal about the TrueColor tabletops?
I'm ready to hear
They
it.
can come in any Pantone, Sherwin-Williams, or Benjamin Moore paint colors.
That is going to draw my eye immediately.
Yes, low budget, high visuals. 10-year warranty.
Made in the USA.
FurnitureLab,
Crafted to connect.